Corporal punishment is back in the spotlight after the State Minister on Education promised serious action against teachers who beat students. This evening, the Jamaica Teachers Association has responded. Here's TVJ's Kalisha Williams.
First, a statement from Minister of State in the Education Ministry, Alando Terrelong, warning teachers to stop corporal punishment in schools.
I do not wish to receive any report come September that there are children who are being beaten and abused in schools, because we will treat with it very seriously. We want to ensure that our children are disciplined, but that their very human rights are also respected.
Then a response from the Jamaica Teachers Association.
As it relates to the minister's assertion that serious action will be taken, I'm not too sure what the minister is referring to. What I do know is that where there are breaches of policies, that is a matter for boards of management of schools to treat with.
The debate on corporal punishment in schools has been lingering for some time, with the Andrew Holness-led administration declaring a zero-tolerance approach. But according to JTA President Dr. Garth Anderson, while the JTA is in support of a ban on corporal punishment in schools, he insisted that the education system itself needs fixing.
We are concerned with the flare-up of violence in our schools and the level of indiscipline in our schools. The fact is, from where we stand, a number of our young people are crying out for help. They're acting up in our schools.
As a result, Dr. Anderson says the government should focus on upgrading the policies which govern the education system.
Said that it is under review now for many years, and we hope that very soon this review will be done and we can have a document that can properly guide and assist administrators as to how to treat with some of these maladjusted students and behaviors that we see coming up in our schools.
For instance, employing more guidance counselors and deans of discipline in schools to help troubled students.
We need greater psychosocial support in some of these troubled schools. We cannot have one guidance counselor, for example, treating with many of these issues. We know we have deans of disciplines and so on, but we are calling for greater support as it relates to increasing the number of social workers that we have in the regional offices.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.